Yo, what is up, y'all? So today we got episode 7, and today we're switching it up with different texture. Today we got curls with high taper, and yeah, we don't got that much time today since this tutorial is like a little bit over 7 minutes, but let's get into it.
Run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Alright, let's get started. Alright, so here is the before. Obviously, this is a huge transformation. His hair is super thick and he's got that nice hairline. So, you know, we got a good canvas to work with. Let's start off starting to create the shape. I'm using clipper over comb to, so I have something to fade into, and then I'm doing freehand with the curls. I have to make sure that I combed it all out first, and then now I'm just freehanding. And the bangs, I don't want it to hang over the hairline, so I'm just taking off the bangs. And then yeah, just create that shape before you even fade. This is a good way to get faster on your fades, but if you do want to check out my 10 tips and tricks, it's in the link down below. 10 tips and tricks on how to fade faster. So yeah. Right now I'm already setting that length where I want the fade to end. So remember guys, the fade ends around 1.5. So yeah. And then now I'm setting my first guideline, which is lever open, no guard. And then underneath it, I'm just gonna do lever close. And then pretty much done that fade or that step. And then I'm just freehanding, working on that shape. Oh, in this one, I do use the number 1 open, and then I'm flicking out into those longer hairs. Since, his texture, I feel like I can't skip too much guards with, because it's super thick. So it really depends on textures. As you guys know, I usually do 0.5 and then the 1.5, and then just connect the 2. That's more of the Asian hair. It's easier to flick out and to skip guards. But yeah, curls, you have to use most of the guards. And then yeah, I just connected the 1 into the 0.5 or lever open no guard with my 0.5 guard, and then I'm just fading in his beard. I just fade up. I use a longer guard first, and then I fade into the shorter. And then yeah, go ahead and do your lineup real quick. I think I'm doing one side first, and then I'm doing the other side later on. So yeah. I'm pretty much done one side, guys, and then just do the exact same on the other. Make sure you pick it out so that it's pretty consistent with the length. You're not gonna get surprised with uneven lengths if you pick out all of the hairs. See how clip over comb is such a good technique to be able to do. You can pretty much do a whole haircut with it. So make sure you guys work on your clip over comb. Very versatile. You can use it for every texture, not just with short Asian hairs or Asian straight hairs. And then now we're gonna start with the back using 1.5, trying to connect it already into the weight, which is the clip over comb. We're connecting the 1.5 into the weight with the clip over comb once again, because we kind of dug into the shape a little bit. So now we just use clip over comb to connect it. And then we got lever open, no guard below the 1.5, and then I'm just gonna close it underneath to fade it out. And then just connecting that lever open into that 1.5 now using one guard, open, then close. This haircut was done a long time ago. I'm pretty sure this was after the first quarantine lockdown. So this was around May, and now it's December. So I've got lots of footage for you guys. Let me know what type of texture, what type of hairstyle, what type of, you know, hair fade or fade. So we got lots of footage. And this is only episode 6. Yeah, episode 6. So we got lots more coming. We're almost doing this daily, so comment down below what you want, and also subscribe so you don't miss the future episodes. Now go ahead and do the neck taper lineup. Most satisfying part probably. I'm just cleaning up his beard. It's not like a full service. I just wanted to clean it up for him real quick. He's not growing it out or anything, but at the same time, he's not shaving it. You know what I mean? Just a little maintenance. And then yeah, connect that line up into the right side now. I'm just taking off the bangs because I don't want it to go over the hairline, and then if you don't trim those, he won't even see his line up at all. So yeah, that's why I trimmed off the bangs and a lot of lineup, and then I just went over his beard real quick too. So now we're pretty much done. We're just gonna trim off the excess hairs. So I'm just combing it out with my hands, really, because that's how he would style it at home too. He would just, you know, let it all stretch out, and then just doing lots of touch-ups, guys, keeping that shape not straight up, not curved in. It's kind of popping out. And then yeah, just do your blade work, and then we're gonna style it today with some hair mousse. Just yeah, put it all over the hair, and then I just use a comb to spread it out because it gets sticky on my hands. So yeah, then that's how you enhance the curls, the natural curls. All right, there's the after, guys. So let me know if that helped, and hope to see you all on the next video.